Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will discuss the key words which are mentioned in the lesson weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate, which is in class 7th science. So the first key word here is adaptation. What is adaptation? Adaptation is the special characteristics which are present in an animal or plant that enables it to survive in a particular climatic conditions. वो adaptation गई أکِس animalس या أکِس plantس منٛز تِم special characteristics یِم أمِس کُنہِ خاص ماحولس منٛز زِنٛدٕ روزنس منٛز مدد کران چھِ. Because of these characteristics, an animal or plant is able to survive in a particular habitat in a particular climatic condition. We discussed the adaptation of polar bear with respect to polar regions. So the second key term which is mentioned here is climate. Dear students, what is climate? The average weather pattern. The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called the climate of the place. वो climate go use average weather pattern as kuni jai, and that average weather pattern is prevailing there from a long period of time. मिसाल के तौर पर Ladakh is having a cold climate, while as Rajasthan is having a hot climate. Go yum weather conditions Ladakh's manch that are prevailing there from a long period of time, while as yum weather conditions Rajasthan's manch such hot weather conditions asa that is prevailing there from a long period of time. Go climate go agar kuni jaye ka weather pattern chu and that weather pattern is prevailing there from long period of time, that is called climate. Go Rajasthan chu hot climate, while as Ladakh's much cold climate. Elements of weather. Elements of weather manch evan temperature. Elements of weather manch evan humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. Sunrise, sunset, elements of weather. Okay, weather kya go? Weather go day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere. Day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere. वो यह हेकान change गसित रोजान basis पे. अगर आज अख atmosphere condition छु सुबह से ब्याक गसित. अगर आज अख temperature छु सुबह से कम गसित या अम खुद ज़्यादा गसित. वो elements of weather मंच एवं तेली number 1 temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, sunset, sunrise, etc. Humidity. Humidity go the amount of moisture present in the air. Hawas mas kaza nami ch, that is humidity. Yom coastal area asan ch that humidity zyada tikazi ch samandar nazdik asan ye area at ch atmaz asan moisture nami zyada. Go tel gay yom coastal areas at asan humid air, yom desert areas at asan humidity kam. Byak key term ch maximum temperature. Go ज़्यादा खुद ज़्यादा temperature. इधर पर minimum temperature कम खुद कम temperature. Go 24 hours मंच ऐसा ज़्यादा खुद ज़्यादा temperature तो minimum कम से कम temperature. वो afternoon मंच maximum temperature. तो रात मंच ऐसा minimum temperature. Okay, migration. Migration go movement of animals from one place to another place in search of food or to avoid the harsh climatic conditions. Okay, go migration go अगर animals एक जाय पर बिक जाय long सफर करा ठीक catch करा in search of food या to avoid the harsh climatic conditions. तो ऐसे वुचमुत ये कशीर मंज थी winter एवं छो कि bird च गसान ये गब कैज तिकैज winters मंज तुम हेकान ये survive करित कि तुमन छुन food easily asan available ki go so harsh climatic condition सो हार्श क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन एवॉइड करने खतर छ तुम एक जाय पे बेक जाय सफर करान ठीक इथे पे पोलर रीजन ब्या की टर्म पोलर रीजन गो सो जियोग्राफिकल रीजन इस पोलन पे गो नॉर्थ पोल या साउथ पोल गो अगर वो जमीन स्फेरिकल शेपड इस टॉपस पे सह गो नॉर्थ पोल इस बॉटम में सह गो साउथ पोल ओके हम गए पोलर रीजनस अत बड़ हार्श क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन अत सर्दी कोल्डनेस एंड सेकंड थिंग देयर इज ऑलमोस्ट 6 months of day and 6 months of night and this area these polar regions they remain covered around the year with snow. um, we have another key term that is tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest go so तम forests यम tropical regions मज tropical rainforest there is abundant rainfall. So because of the abundant rainfall there is diversity of life. अच्छा वारिया ज़्यादा diversity of life. वारिया किस्म animals वारिया किस्म plants अथ tropical rainforests मज आसान. Go number 1. Number 2 is tropical rainforest show because of the diversity of life at varia adaptation is the at competition of food go because of the competition of food at varia adaptation is ko yum animals at tropical rainforests maz rozan ch umun maz ch development of strong tails this adaptation at ithe put long and large beaks it's adaptation at bright colors it's adaptation sharp patterns loud voice and diet of fruits sensitive hearing sharp eyesight thick skin ability to camouflage ch adaptations yum animal at regions maz asan ch tropical rainforests maz yum adaptations asan ch back key term ch weather go day to day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature humidity rainfall wind speed etc. go yum day to day atmospheric condition kun jay asan ch misal ke तौर temperature यह आज सुबह हे ब्या कम या हे ज्यादा यह आल्टरनेटली चेंज गसान डेली बेसिस पे गसान चेंज इथे पे ह्यूमिडिटी ये आज कम सुबह हे ज्यादा आज हे ज्यादा सुबह हे कम रेनफॉल विंड स्पीड गो डे टू डे बेसिस पे एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन आसान दैट इज वेदर तो क्लाइमेट गो यह एवरेज वेदर पैटर्न टेकन ओवर ए लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम that is climate. तो इस पर सब keywords which are mentioned in this very lesson. Inshallah next we will do the text questions of weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. Shukriya. Assalamu alaikum.